What do we have here? Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Big Board Tactical. This is a quick video on what we have here. This is one of the twins that we put together the other day, the AR pistol. As you can see here in the magazine, we have a MFT magazine. We got this from KM Tactical, 5.56, 223. 30 round magazine. And then here we have a GI magazine. This GI is painted gold to go with a 223 pistol. We got here some 223 rounds. And let's go over what we have here really quick. So here we have a ambidextrous safety switch. This was from R1 Recon 1, as well as the magazine release and the takedown pins, as well as the dust cover. The red dust cover is also from there. The lower is a Plum Crazy polymer lower with a standard AR grip. This is a two-stage. There goes the case. This is a two-stage trigger from Palmetto State. Quad rail with a mini hand grip. Magpul flip-up sights. The red sight, it's aftermarket. I cannot remember from the top of my head where I got it from, but it's a nice touch-up for the red. The barrel is a Wildy barrel with a standard bird cage muzzle brake. There it is in all its cover, all its glory. My bad. 223 5.56 AR pistol.